I am Samreen Akhtar. You are watching South Asia Global. Let's have a look on headlines. Prime Minister Pakistan Shehbaz Sharif assures Pakistan People's Party Chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari in a meeting to resolve the issue of canals being dug from the Indus River Assembly. The Prime Minister hosted an iftar dinner in honor of Bilawal Bhutto Zardari and his delegation. Chief Minister Maryam Nawaz is ready to discuss party reservation in Punjab. During the meeting on Monday, Maryam Nawaz said that the Nawaz Sharif expressed reservation to her. Pakistan Permanent Representative to United Nations Munir Akram has said the banned TTP is becoming an umbrella organization for terrorist organization and there is solid evidence that Kabul authorities are sponsoring the attack. Federal Minister for Planning and Development Ahsan Iqbal says that there is no truth in the talk of reducing Sindh's water and they felt politicians outside the mainstream are fueling the issue to shine their politics. Punjab Health Minister Salman Rafiq has termed the alleged reaction to an injection at Mayo Hospital Lahore as human error regarding the death from an injection at Mayo Hospital. Salman Rafiq said that the death from the injection was due to human error. The injection was powered and there was a mistake in making it to a solution. PP leader Kamal Zaman Kahira has said that the extremely offensive slogan will rise in the National Assembly. Whatever is happening today is also wrong. Our electoral process has never been transparent. We are fully supporting the PMLN government. Inflation has come down in the country and the economy has improved. PTI leader Mehrbano Qureshi has said that the PMLN led the foundation of corruption in politics. The people gave the PTI the mandate in the election. The PMLN led the foundation for corruption in politics. This government is like a dead horse. Protection orders were issued for the Ejaz Chaudhry 3 times. Yusuf Raza Gilani got a seat as a gift, so he cannot speak. Syria has announced the end of the military operations against supporters of outside President Bashar al-Assad after hundreds of deaths. The Syria Defense Ministry announced the end of the operation against the militants of outside President Bashar al-Assad on Monday, according to a foreign news agency. US President Donald Trump's special envoy Steve Witkoff has claimed that the Ukraine President Volodymyr Zelensky has apologized to Trump for the Oval Office incident. US President Donald Trump's special envoy Steve Witkoff has said that the Ukraine President Volodymyr Zelensky has sent a letter to the Donald Trump apology for the Oval Office incident. More than 1,300 people have been killed in the clashes between security forces and supporters for a former President Bashar al-Assad in Syria over the past 3 days. With the death of all expected to rise, the British-based Syria Observatory for Human Rights said at least 830 civilians from among the dead. New Zealand 15-member squad from the home T20 series against Pakistan has been announced. The 5th match series between Pakistan and New Zealand will begin in Christchurch on March 16. And former Pakistan cricket team captain Shahid Afridi said that our cricket has been in the ICU for a long time. Until decisions are made on merit, Pakistan cricket will remain in the state. Mohsin Naqvi wants to work, but the problem is that he does not know cricket. Stay tuned with South Asia Global. For more updates, you can visit our website sag.tv.